In this tutorial, I'll show you how to manipulate Google Slides, which means you can duplicate, skip, change the layout, or add transitions to slides. You'll know how to find these functions for manipulating Google Slides, how to duplicate slides, skip slides, manipulate layout, or change the transition between the slides. So by knowing how to use the manipulate slides function, students and teachers can more effectively create presentations and other interactive modules through Google Slides. Okay, so I have a Google slide open, how to manipulate Google Slides. And all we do when we're on this Google slide is go to slide, and then I can choose one of the functions. So I can create a new slide, I can delete that slide that I created, skip a slide, for instance, if I want to skip slide 3 in the presentation, I go to slide, skip slide. Now if we go to present and we present this, I'll scroll through, and as you can see, it skipped slide 3. If we want to undo that, we just go back to slide and then click on that again. If you want to move a slide, you can go to move slide, and then you can move slide to the end, move slide beginning. So just move the slide around, up or down, to determine its position. You can also just drag and drop the slide where you want it, but this is another option for doing that. And then here is how you change the background. You can choose an image or color, press done. You can apply a layout, for instance, if you want a title and a subtitle. And you can add a transition between slides and see what that looks like. So the last function in the slide manipulation is the change theme. And change theme just lets you change the theme of the slide, and you can select that and then it will change the overall theme. So that is how you manipulate Google Slides.